For over 50 years, GreenPro Cleaning and Restoration has been offering a wide range of non-toxic cleaning solutions for both homes and businesses. Based on Long Island, we pride ourselves on being an accredited green certified cleaning, restoration, and remediation business. And we proudly service areas in both Nassau and Suffolk County on a daily basis. As your go-to indoor air quality specialists, we offer services of all types to ensure that your home or office has the best air quality possible. Whether you use us for air duct cleaning, dryer exhaust vent cleaning, attic and crawl space cleaning, basement waterproofing, or mold remediation, we're confident that you'll be happy with the finished product. We consistently invest in the most modern technology and air duct cleaning equipment to rid your home of the dirt, bacteria, dust, and debris that has built up in your air ducts over the years. On top of that, we also perform visual, non-destructive surveys for mold and potential fungal problems. If we do find mold, we can take care of it the safe way with our mold remediation service. Our all-natural, EPA-approved antimicrobial treatment will remove the majority of the mold. Then, we go back in with a fogger and remove all of the remaining mold, which helps curb allergies and other potentially serious health risks too. All of this is backed up by our great staff, from our trained and certified technicians to our helpful and friendly customer service representatives. We're here to ensure you that the job is done correctly and always in a timely manner. For more information, please give us a call or visit us on the web. GreenPro Cleaning and Restoration, your local air quality experts.